Hello everyone and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Can you imagine that this facial animation is made with only an audio file? Yes, you heard right, just an audio file. Unreal Engine gives us 3 options to create stunning facial animations. From an audio file, from a video, or live with a DSLR, a smartphone, a webcam, or any camera you want. Today, I show you all of them. So let's start. Make sure you have an assembled Metahuman you want to animate. First, we take a look at the Audio to Animation option. So, import an audio file of your choice. Then, right-click in the content browser and create a Metahuman performance. Name it and double-click to open it up. In the Details panel, select Audio as the input type and drag and drop your audio file in. For the visualization mesh, we use our Metahuman head mesh. Go to your Metahuman folder to Face and drag and drop the skeletal face mesh to the Details panel. For the synchronization, hit Yes to use audio clock source. Unreal can automatically add a head movement to the animation. You can choose between Transform Track, then the whole head mesh is moving using the Transform Rotation, or Control Rig, then the neck is animated, or you can disable the head movement completely. Let's choose the Control Rig. Here, you can check if you want to automatically create eye blinks or not. We leave it on. In the Solve Override section, you can force a mood. All let Unreal auto-detect a mood by analyzing the audio file. Let's force it to Happy. Click on Process. Done. You can play back the result immediately and check if everything works.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial.
Now you can export the animation sequence. But we need to export the animation twice. I show you why in a second. The first one we export with a head movement turned on. The second time we export the same animation, but this time we turn the head movement off. Okay, let's create a new level sequence and drag and drop our Metahuman to the timeline. Delete both of the control rigs. If we add the animation with the head movement to the face component, this will happen. The face mesh is not connected to the body anymore, so we need to use the animation without head movement. But we can add the animation to the body component instead. Now the head movement is back. But the whole body is shaking a little bit. We can fix that. Bake the body animation to the FK control rig. Search for the root bone and delete all the keyframes. Then reset the position and rotation of the root bone to 0. And finally, we can drag and drop the audio file to the timeline.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial.
And here is a little tip, because sometimes it looks a little more natural if you lower the intensity of the animation. So bake the face animation to the face control rig. If you don't see it, uncheck Filter Assets by Skeleton. Then right-click on the track of the rig and check Weight. Now we can lower the weight maybe to 0.75.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial.
Okay. Due to the length of this tutorial, I will show you the next option in the second part of this tutorial. See you in part 2. Cheers!